So, Mr. Bajjo,
yes, please.
What do you make of the current status of the COVID-19 in the entire nation with regards to the accountability of the task force and all that?
Balaam,
what do you make of the current status of the COVID-19 in the nation?
According to my observation, I think this is a government planned project by His Excellency the President of Uganda.
Why?
According to my understanding, my personal understanding, and with the local people, I'm here to represent the local personnel or the local person. Corona is, I think in Uganda we don't have coronavirus. It's just, in the world the coronavirus exists in the world, like in countries like USA, Kenya, Rwanda, but here we have lower cases. And whenever we heard about coronavirus, President Museveni got a chance to take it back the country into his hands. Reason, the country has been out of his hands due to his poor governance. Because
what yardsticks are you using to determine the poor governance?
Poor governance, because institutions have Uganda institutions, they don't have powers. Like a minister of trade, they can't decide for themselves. It's the president who acts as a minister at the same time.
But you understand we have the Equal Opportunities Commission, we have the Minister of Investment, we have all those committees and they're up and running.
But all of them, their master is President Museveni. They can't take their own decisions.
He's a leader.
They can't decide anything for their own. They have to first contact the president. Like a minister, like Amelia Chamba, they can't sign your letter and the electricity somewhere or in the bank.
Have you ever tried it before?
I tried it before because I made a festival at Kampala. His Excellency, the guest of honor, she wrote everything, but he was ignored by other agencies, which means President Museveni is the sole control of this country without arms of government.
So what is the suggestion? What could be the way
My suggestion,
forward?
we need to change. We need to take part the people. We need to empower institutions. We need to respect specialization. We need to respect technical know-how, not technical know-who. Because at the moment, President Museveni thinks that this is his home.
Take me slow. What is the technical know-how? Explain.
Technical know-how, when someone is specialized in that. When someone is specialized in that, in anything.